Hi everyone, it's me again. I wanted to tell you a little bit about AR filters. So AR is actually augmented reality. And how strange is it that right now it's such a normal thing for people to use AR filters, and you can actually create new filters with a free app provided by Facebook, which I think is insane that it's free and it's so easy and accessible for people to do these things. That's why you have thousands upon thousands of filters that you can use. So there's beauty filters, there's games, there's funny filters, so many things that you can use, and so many things that can just spice up your daily, your daily stories or your photos. And even one of our local photographers that we work with, Fable and Fig, they made their own filter in which they talked that a lot of filters really mess with your face. They would make your nose really tiny and your lips really big, and just it didn't look like you anymore. So they just made a beautiful filter with just some colors on top, and that's really cool and it's really inspiring, and there's actually so much information on how to do them yourself. But today I really want to show you how to use them and to really get the best out of your filters. And you can look for so many things. It's actually so interesting, and a lot of people don't know how to use them. So let me take you there step by step. So you're gonna grab one of these, your trusty old phone, and open Instagram. So once you're in Instagram, you wanna swipe to the left. I'm gonna have my Jazz, please put the screen recording to the side over here. So yeah, we're gonna just swipe it like this. And then we're gonna go scroll all the way down to the very last one of these little circles over here. And you can browse all the AR effects. How good, right? So you just hit browse, and there's so many that you can use. And yeah, you can have all these 3D little things on your face. You can have games. It's actually so interesting. But yeah, I was showing Jody how to use them, and she never really knew how to look for them, how to like really do all that. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that today. I'm gonna show you how to download all the effects. If someone's using an effect that you love, you can save it and keep it to yourself. So whenever you're recording a story, it can be more cinematic, it can be more beautiful. You don't need to learn how to do color grading or anything at all, and you can record things and they're gonna look beautiful every single time. Even if you forget to put on makeup, you can just, slap a nice filter on and you're gonna look nice and fresh. But yeah, basically, so this is Fable and Fig's new filter. It's called Dandy. Look how pretty. So it looks so beautiful. And basically what you do is you're gonna have the username of the person right next to their little tiny profile picture. And then right under, you're gonna see the name of the filter. So it says the name of the filter by whoever made the filter. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click it, and then it's just gonna show, so it's gonna say save it, try it, view the effect page, or send to someone. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna save it. If you love it, you can save it, but I'm gonna show you how it looks here in Jody's office. So here you go. Look how pretty. So yeah, basically what you're gonna do is like, whenever you wanna take a photo, whenever you wanna, just make a quick story for your brand, it's not gonna look washed out and it's not gonna look dark. It's gonna be really nice, nice colors, like it's quite nice to have that, or like to play with stuff around. So yes, so basically that's my 2 cents regarding AR filters. Save them, have them, play with them. If you're into photography, it's gonna make your life so much easier and so much more enjoyable to just whip your phone out and take a beautiful photo, and the color grading's already done for you. And yeah, trying all these, like you can even do like one where it changes like your hair color and stuff. It's amazing. It's literally this augmented reality at the, like we have it at our fingertips. I really want to do a whole in-depth tutorial on how to use Spark AR, which is the free Facebook app that I was talking about. I want to do a really in-depth, just explaining step by step, because it's actually very simple. However, it is good to, go step by step, but it is so cool that you can just, download it to your computer and make it, and it's 100% free. I'm really, really happy with that. If people would love to see that, let me know, and I'll make sure to make some time to sit down and work it out for you guys, because you can make an AR filter for your brand, and that's so cool. Like, it's free and you can do it, and it'll take you like 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. It's really, really cool and really, really fun. So if you'd love to see that, maybe that's the marketing tool of the future. I don't know, but I think it's really freaking cool. But anyways, thank you so much for sitting here and listening to me. And yeah, I hope you learned something good, and I hope this was useful information for you. But anyways, I hope you're having a really lovely day, and we'll see you tomorrow for more Media Day stuff. Yay.